Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the study. Do this now. Open the Dicom Viewer and drag the folder or choose File Open. This groups series automatically. Once done, scan headers for patient ID and study date so you never mix studies. Make sure thumbnails populate. If not, refresh or re-import. You want all series stacked in chronological order to scrub through slices smoothly. This step saves time later and prevents mislabeling, so don't skip the quick header check before proceeding. Next, refine the image for diagnostic clarity. Choose an appropriate window and level preset, bone for high contrast, soft tissue for anatomy, because each preset reveals different structures. Then enable multiplanar reformat to align axial, sagittal, and coronal planes. This helps localize lesions in 3D. Use zoom and pan sparingly and apply calibrated measurement tools for distances or areas. This gives you accurate, reproducible numbers. As you proceed, lock the series when satisfied so adjustments don't shift unintentionally during review. To finish, export and document your findings. Save key slices or entire series as DICOM for packs or as JPEG/PDF for reports. Include burned-in annotations only when required. Then save your viewing presets and window layout so future cases match immediately. If something goes wrong, like missing slices or unreadable files, check the transfer syntax and codec settings, re-import the original files, or update the viewer's DICOM decoder. One quick troubleshooting tip. If thumbnails are blank, rebuild the cache. This often fixes indexing errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.